Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Food and Healthy Food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today, we are going to make one of the easiest healthy breakfast and it's egg white veggie omelette. Let's see the ingredients. We need 1 cup of egg white, 1 cup of mixed vegetable like broccoli, cauliflower, mushrooms, and carrots, 1 capsicum, 1 tomato, ghee, 1½ tablespoons of minced cilantro or kothimeera, salt and black pepper to taste. Let's chop capsicum and tomato into small pieces and keep it aside. Take 1 small skillet pan. Switch on the stove on medium-low flame. After pan is heated, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add vegetables and stir fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Once the vegetables are fried and turns into golden brown color, add capsicum and stir for 5 minutes. Take egg white, add cilantro or kothimeera and beat the mixture 3 to 5 times. Now add the mixture into the pan, close the lid. Now switch the flame to low and cook until it's cooked properly. Meanwhile, take small pan, on medium-low heat add 3/4 of a tablespoon of ghee. Add tomato pieces and stir fry for 5 to 10 minutes until the tomato pieces become slightly thick. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now switch off the stove and keep it aside. Once the top surface of egg white is thickened and no visible liquid remains, gently flip the omelette over and cook for a further minute on medium heat. After few minutes, remove to a plate. Now serve egg white veggie omelette with tomato stir-fry sauce. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another interesting videos. Until then, stay safe.